Hi Clubbers! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer again. I-share ko sa inyo ang ating napakasarap na cassava cake. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Kahapon pa ito guys and tikman natin kung soft ba. My, very soft. My gosh, napakasarap. So another question, gluten-free ba ang cassava cake? Gluten-free ba ang cassava? Comment below. Thank you guys. If gluten-free ito guys, we can recommend sa mga taong bawal ang mga gluten, di ba? So, if gluten-free siya guys, we can recommend this sa mga taong bawal ang gluten. Cassava. Very yummy. The tea guys is so good. And my tea is Taylor's of Harrogate. As always guys, our tea is Taylor's of Harrogate. Meron silang decaf and caffeinated tea. Very yummy. Alam niyo, meron akong story about Taylor of Harrogate. One time, napunta kami sa HAB Market. Yung HAB Market, guys, is a big store ng HAB dito. And then, nakabili kami ng Taylor's of Harrogate. Ayun siya, malaki yan siya, guys. Dahil meron kaming store dito na grocery stores, HAB, hindi gaanong malaki sa HAB Market talaga. So, napunta kami doon one time and nakabili kami ng Taylor's of Harrogate tea. And then, tinesting namin from then, yung mga tea na binibili namin guys is Taylor's of Harrogate now from that time. Dahil nung time na naubos siya, alam mo kung anong ginagawa namin. Nag-isip si asawa, saan ba natin ito nabili? Pumunta kami sa HAB dito, wala. Pumunta kami sa Kroger's, wala. Pumunta kami sa Target, wala. Sabi ng asawa ko, wala talagang Taylor's of Harrogate. Saan kaya natin ito nabili? So, nung nakita namin yung box, nakita ni asawa ang website ng Taylor's of Harrogate. So, alam niyo kung anong ginagawa ang Taylor's of Harrogate? My husband emailed Taylor's of Harrogate London, main office, dahil Taylor's of Harrogate is from London pala yan. And then, nag-email siya, and guess what? Taylor's of Harrogate sent us a big box of Taylor's of Harrogate tea. Siguro mga 120 pieces or 120 sachets ang nasa loob. And then, may kapin pa sila guys. May additional pa silang binigay. Yung English cracker or English biscuits. Ayan guys, dahil if they like to, English people, if they like to drink tea, kuha sila ng biscuits guys at isaw-saw dito. And after that, inumin nila ang tea. Akala mo tayo lang mga Filipino, no? Hindi. That's how they drink their tea. Well, sa mga taga-bundok siguro, sa mga local people, sa mga ordinary people lang. But if yung mga highness na guys, ay yung mga di alta sa syudad na, yung mga old generation ng mga English or mga di alta sa syudad, pag uminom sila ng tea, ganito. And ilagay. Ganyan sila. But sa new generation or yung sa ibang mga farmer lang siguro, gusto nila yung malaking tea. It's so good. And then if they have a cracker guys, i-dip nila yung cracker guys and inumin nila si tea. Pareho din sila ng mga Filipino. But sa ating mga Filipino, meron tayong mga cassava cake. Iba ang pagkain ng cassava cake, guys. Hindi natin i-dip, di ba? Pwede rin i-dip para magiging matamis. Oh my God, sira ulo. Well, guys, I'm just entertaining you guys. This is a coconut water that my little daughter loves to drink this. From Goya. So, gusto ko yung si Goya brand. Goya coconut water. Goya na chickpeas. and a lot of Goya brand that is very good. So Goya brand and cassava cake made from the Philippines and Taylor's of Harrogate from England. So these are from different countries, guys. Cheers! My gosh. Napakasarap ng cassava cake ko. Alam niyo kahapon, it takes a while, niluto ko siya. And then I realized wala pala siyang eggs. Dapat may 3 eggs, but I forgot to add the eggs. But in the end, my cake tastes good. And kahapon pa ito, guys. Ngayon, hindi ko siya na-reheat and still very soft. So if you want to know kung ano ang ginamit ko dito, kung ano ang ingredients, well, my ingredients are, I add condensed milk, evaporated milk, cocoa milk. And sa ating sugar, guys, we have to add just 1/2 of sugar. And then yun lang, I forgot the egg. Supposed to be there's an eggs, but I forgot. But in the end, masarap ang ating cassava cake. Cassava cake, cassava cake. Cassava cake pa more. Oh my, this cassava cake is a temptation. Very addicting ang cassava cake. Gustong-gusto talaga ng mga anak ko. And gusto ko, ang asawa ko na ko, binigyan ko siya ng, syempre, siguro ganito kalaki. Binigyan ko siya ng ganito kalaki, guys. Sabi niya, more. More pa daw. So, binigyan ko siya. And then, nakita niya yung dukot, guys. Ay, yung naiwan yung, ano dito, yung overcook na nasa bottom na niya. Nakita niya, kinuha pa niya. Sabi niya, oh, napakasarap. Gustong-gusto talaga niya. Pero takot ko, pag kumain ganito, dahil minsan, nabulunan siya. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, ano ba yung kinain mo dyan na hindi ka marunong kumain ng cassava cake? So, sa mga asawa na American, guys, you have to give them tea or something na follow up kung ma-choke sila, guys. Dahil gustong-gusto talaga ito ng asawa ko. I don't know if your husband likes cassava cake. Comment below. Thank you. Thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. So this is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. Smash that notification bells. Thank you very much, and hanggang sa muli, people. You want some tea? How should fit ready? First thing we have to add the sugar. And then the milk. That is a milk. Evaporated milk. So that is So, yan ang ating cassava cake. See? Ooh. Yan na lang naiwan niya, guys. So, yan na lang naiwan ang ating cassava cake dahil kinain na sa mga kagwang. So, this is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. Smash that notification bells. Thank you very much, and hanggang sa muli, people.